My name is Professor Wagstaff from Balso Hard University, and this is my model build. My steps this week: I painted the hood, I installed all of these front parts, and then I glued the body onto the chassis. First, I started with the hood. I did a base coat of Revell black, and then after that, I laid down some tape for the stripes, and then finally, I went over it with some of this Cobalt green from Tamiya. Next, I painted all of the front parts with this Testors black. It actually came out a lot better than I thought it would, considering that I didn't do anything fancy. I didn't have to thin down the paint, which is why Testors is such a great basic paint for beginners and even intermediate modelers. Last but not least, I glued everything down with some AK Quick Cement and then contacted liquid from Revell. They have nice solid connections, so you don't have to worry about anything coming apart unless you slam it on the ground like a footballer. Be sure to tune in next week for the next episode, where Braden, the actual model guy, will be here. He's pretty cool.